Alright, today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this new awful, stupid, slow garbage and get back to the good ones. Basically, you're going to come here to this link in the description. You're going to come here and you're going to want to download XAMPP here. Alright, so once it's downloaded, you're just going to want to run that and wait for it to get all up. Alright, and then you're going to see this warning about UAC. Just click through it, then go next. Now here, you're going to want to uncheck everything that you can, because you only need Apache and PHP. And then you're going to want to go next, 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 and next. And then just wait for it to install. Alright, now it's going to ask you, it's going to bring up this pop-up about the firewall. Just allow access, and then wait for it to continue. Alright, and then it'll be done. Just don't start at that right now. And then, so what we're going to do, we're going to install Git, which is what we use for the version control. So you're just going to want to download for Windows and then download that. Okay, so once that's open, just click next, next. And if you don't want your Explorer menu getting bloated, I recommend you uncheck this and then go to next. And then just click next. There's a ton of options, but you don't need to change those for what we're doing. So yeah, and then just wait for it to install. Alright, once that's done, you're going to want to uncheck view release notes, finish. Now you're going to want to go to the start menu, type command prompt. Now you're just going to want to open that up. You don't need to run it as admin. Let me make it easier to read for you guys. That should be good. Alright. And then we're going to type cd /XAMPP. And then once we're there, we're going to type rd space dot /htdocs /s/q. And that's just going to remove the default stuff we have there because we don't need that. And then we're going to type git clone https github.com/rehike htdocs. And then once you do that, once that's done, you can just exit out, and then you can start up your XAMPP control panel. And then once you're here under Apache, you just want to click start and just wait for that. And then you can minimize it. And now we're just going to check on it. We're going to, in your browser, you want to type localhost. It should light up as a URL. Just press enter. And if you did everything right, you should see the old YouTube look, but we're not done yet. It's still on localhost. So if you try to go to any video, as you can see, it won't play at all because cross-origin resource stuff. It's just not letting us download the video, and also the comments won't load. So that's an issue. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back here. We're gonna use Fiddler, which is a proxy. You're just gonna hit try for free. Just here, I hate this website. It's so slow. Yeah. shut up. Just put fake info. It literally doesn't matter. Just lie. You can put the country as whatever you want. It won't affect the language. Just alright. Then you're just gonna want that to download, and then once that's done, you're just gonna want to open that up. I agree. Install, and that's done. So now let's open up Fiddler Classic. Right. Now once that's open, just click cancel on this warning that we don't need to care about that. And then you're going to head over. Now as you can see, it logs a lot of requests, and if you keep that unchecked over time, it's gonna mess up your RAM. So basically we're gonna mitigate that. We're gonna head over to the Fiddler script tab, and let's copy this code from the link in the description. You just want to scroll down. Okay, here it is. Static function on before response. So you're just going to replace this entire block with that code. Save script. Save. And then there we go. And now it should just start removing stuff. Okay, so now you're going to want to go here to tools options, HTTPS. You're going to check this. Yes. Click yes here. Yes. 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 And that's just installing the certificate. And then we're going to, if you just want it to apply to the browser and you're fine with it not being on other processes, just click that. It should, make other internet-based things less, yeah. But like, if you really care so much, you can just keep it on from all processes, and then just want to check this and click OK. And then we're gonna hit enable. We're on this autoresponder tab. We're gonna hit enable rules, and here we have our rules here. So we're just going to add a rule for this first part. You're just gonna copy this string, this regex string, and then here we're just gonna copy this 127001 string, and then save. And then you're gonna want to check up here unmatched requests pass through, and now you're just gonna restart your browser for the certificate to apply. And then hopefully, if you did everything right, when you go to YouTube, you should see the old design. Yep. Here it is. This is the old YouTube design. You are now using the old YouTube design. I mean, look at it in all of its glory. Now, I just want to note a few things before you're done with this tutorial. This is a custom recreation. Not all the features are there. Such as, hold on. Yeah, if you try to go to your history, it's just gonna say you're signed out, even if you aren't. So, yeah, not everything's there yet. So just give us time, and we'll implement most things. Now, if you use Firefox, you'll notice this error. Now, the reason you see this is because, oh, well, somehow that worked, but like, you may see that error we saw before. So if you're on like maybe an old version, so basically, you're gonna want to come here. Well, first off, you're gonna want to go to Tools, Options, HTTPS, Actions, Export Root Certificate to Desktop. There we go. Then you're gonna come here. You're just gonna search cert, and then you're gonna click this View Certificates button. Then you're gonna click Import. Then you're gonna go from your desktop Here it is. And it says it's already installed, probably because, you know, it already installed it automatically from the systems store. But you would normally get if you don't have it, you would normally get a dialog that says, that has two checkboxes. You want to check both of those and then hit OK. And then restart Firefox, and it should work well. It should work. Now, reminder that if you want this, you're going to have to start these two programs every time you start your computer. It's a bit inconvenient, but it's not that bad. Anyways, I know what you're saying. God, I really have to have these two programs open all the time. Well, if you come here, you can, you know, minimize that to the tray. And if you come here to options, appearance, hide that and minimize it, it'll be in your tray. So it'll just be very non-intrusive. I mean, that's pretty much it. Like, I mean, there's nothing else you can do but like configure it, which is like a thing you can do. So like, yeah, I'm out.